This is St. Joseph College, Olongapo Incorporated. Competence, moral uprightness, and service. Welcome to the Medical and Dental Services Department.
The Medical and Dental Services Office of St. Joseph College, Olongapo Incorporated promotes, develops, and maintains the physical and mental health of the school population. The health and well-being of students and personnel is our utmost priority. School personnel, headed by Dr. Maria Edita S. Valdez, School Physician; Flordalisa D. Capiones, School Nurse; Femaricar S. Arbolente, School Nurse; LCA Balmores, Medical Assistant. Clinic hours: 7 a.m. to 12 noon, 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. Clinic location: for Elementary Department, ground floor Annex Building; Junior High School, Room 104; Senior High School, ground floor Admin Building. The Medical and Dental Services Office has the capability to provide care to patients through the following services: daily consultation of patients, yearly medical and dental checkup for students and school athletes, first aid management, provision of emergency drug to the sick. Medical certificates are provided to school personnel with complete laboratory workup. SSS notification for school personnel. Referral of serious medical cases when necessary. Health education campaign on health programs. Body mass index or BMI screening of school populace. Standard operating procedures. Student must have their own student health record. 6 students must go to the clinic personally for diagnosis and management of illness. 6 students must bring medical form when going to the clinic signed by their advisor or subject teacher. Unless necessary, 6 students is allowed to have 1 companion when going to the clinic. Only patients, student or employee will be given a starter dose of medicine. Family or relatives of patient cannot avail of any medicines from the school clinic. In case of serious illness or accidents, patients are given first aid, then referred to the hospital. Students are expected to line up properly and avoid making unnecessary noise when inside the clinic for their yearly medical and dental examination. Aside from yearly physical exam, only student and employee with ailments are allowed inside the clinic. It is not a place to rest and stay whenever students would like to skip their class. Students with fever and contagious diseases like sore eyes, measles, chickenpox, and mumps are advised not to come to school anymore because these diseases are need to be observed with necessary precautions to prevent cross-contamination. Infected classrooms are needed to be disinfected for 3 days to 5 days to prevent the spread of diseases. Parents or guardian of infected students must follow the incubation period of any illness. Students who were absent due to health problem must bring medical certificate and or valid excuse letter from their parents. Present it to the clinic for issuance of pass slip signed by the medical personnel. All documents of the students who already graduated 5 years and above are subject to shredding as compliance to school's data privacy. Clinic's comfort room are used only by medical personnel and patient. It is not a public toilet. No clinic patient is allowed to go home unless fetched by their parents or guardian. Health and safety protocols in line with COVID-19. Staying at home when sick. For home quarantine of 14 days when you have a fever and 2 of the following symptoms: cough, cold, sore throat, and body pain. Wearing of mask inside the school premises is a must. No face mask, no entry. Everyone will be subjected for security check and thermal scanning before entering the school premises. Those with body temperature of 37.5 degrees Celsius and above will be re-evaluated at the school clinic, then eventually sent home. Undergo disinfection using the provided sanitation and foot bath are readily available at school entrance and key areas. Promote regular and thorough hand washing with soap and water. Physical distancing at least 1 meter must be strictly observed in all places at all times. Advise covering mouth and nose with flex elbow or tissue when coughing or sneezing. Dispose used tissue immediately. School premises and classrooms will be regularly aerated and disinfected. A school-wide curfew of 5:30 p.m. will be strictly implemented. Log in for contact tracing. Again, we welcome you to St. Joseph College Incorporated.